I'm Dora Plascencia. I'm a Leadership Organizing Action Fellow. I've been a fellow for 2 years. I do leadership coaching, which is just helping leaders at the Stanford community overcome leadership challenges that they have, regardless of what framework they're trying to use. It's falls into 3 categories. So there's public narrative coaching, which is basically helping leaders be able to tell their story in a way that it connects with the community that they're trying to help. So we teach story of self, story of us, and story of now. The other type of coaching is individual leadership coaching. So we can help students who are leaders overcome individual leadership challenges. And the last one is team coaching, which is basically we help teams try to address the issues that they're having or come up with a campaign that they're trying to work with. And each of these is a little bit different, but we try to use Marshall Ganz's pedagogy throughout all of it, which is like centering community overall. I think my favorite part of coaching is how close everybody is at the end of it. So we do intensives every year, and at the beginning, everybody is a little uncertain of what leadership coaching will look like. But by the end of it, they all have a group of people who they're super comfortable with, and they're so excited to continue doing the work that they've been wanting to do on this campus. So I think, yeah, my favorite part is just connecting with everybody and like learning about why they're interested in doing the work that they are doing. If you want to get leadership coaching, all you have to do is go onto the Haas Center website, and there actually is a leadership tab that you can click, and under it, it gives more of a description on what leadership coaching is, and it has a little link that you can click to email one of the fellows. So you can get in contact with us and get whatever type of leadership coaching you think is necessary.